So from our previous class, we discussed about summation. Then let's quickly look at the three functions that we have here, like the subtraction, the multiplication, and the division. So this is the symbol. Can you see under the operator sign? This we have the symbol. So we have the negative symbol, we have the multiplication symbol, we have the division symbol, we have the exponential symbol. So now let's talk about the subtraction now. So we have this, like from our previous explanation where we talk about cell identifier. So let's quickly do this. So let me use the one of 40. So don't forget we are starting from our equal sign. So open brackets. Then we are going for C4. So C4. Then let's say minus. Let's just pick the one of E4. E4. Right? So close brackets. Can you see? So I've successfully subtract 50 from 40. Can you see? I've subtract this 50 from 40, from 140. So now let's go to the next one, which is the multiplication. So this is the sign. This one that look like the asterisk is the symbol for multiplication. So let's do that. So you are just going to type equal sign as well. So let's say I want to multiply um 55 multiplied by 20. So I'm going to use my set description as well. E5, A5. So I'm going to put the asterisk there, the symbol. Then let's say I'm using F5, F5. So can you see it? So I have this answer. But don't forget, you can as well use a cell to multiply any number. What did I mean? Like if you want to multiply a number, you can use a cell to multiply a number. Maybe for example, I want to multiply this 20, maybe multiply by 10. So let's do that. We can easily say that okay, equal sign. So you can say you can say F5 F5, then we can multiply by 20. So we can multiply by, let's say, okay, we are multiplying by 10, let's say 10. So we have this. I used to say that we have the answer 20 times 10, that is 200. So it's possible. Now let's go for the one of division. The division is backward slash. That's what we are using for our division. So that is the symbol for division, backward slash, not forward slash, backward slash. So let's do that. So we are going to start from equal sign as well. So let's say I'm dividing um this E6 E6 which is 77. Maybe I'm dividing by F. I'm dividing by this 7. So let me divide by this F6. So let me close it. Now can you see 77 divided by 7? That is 11. And the same thing is applicable. You can as well divide with normal number. So you can divide with any number of your choice. Maybe if you want to divide a cell with a number. So now the last one that we are going to see today, that we are going to um, discuss today, is the exponential. So the exponential. So let's say let me exponent this 7, like 7 raised to power 2, which is 7 times 7. So let's do that. We are going to have an equal sign here. So we are going to put this one. So 7. Then what is the set description for this 7? We have the F7. So we have the F7. Then exponents, we have the symbol here. Then let's say we are putting it to be 2, right? So in brackets. So we have the 7 times 7, that is 49. So that will be all today. I want the video to be very short. So on our last class where we discussed about summation, now we have discussed about subtraction, multiplication, division, then an exponential. So next time we are going to discuss about average, median, and mean.